Guys, this is Rick at Cowtown. I shouldn't be doing this. This trailer is not ready to be seen, but I think it's going to suit you. It's 8 wide. I don't know what the short wall. I'll try to figure that. But you got a mudroom. The only way to enter this trailer is through the mudroom. Okay. You have a pass-through door back into the horses. Fully insulated ceiling. And it's just dirty, but it's sure not trashed. You got a place here on the wall. Got your cords, and it's all carpet lined. Saddle racks in here in the back, or if you want to take these out and use it for hanging, you can do that. Let me see. Okay, as you enter in on the right hand side here in the mudroom, you got a place to hang your clothes up. Nice closet. Another nice hang closet. Okay, then we'll take in here. It's got the rear, what do you call it? The rear kitchen here, which is normally, you see this in the late model ones. Okay, you got a couch here that makes into bed. You have a dinette over here, also makes into a bed. Okay, we'll walk right past. Got your monitor system for your tanks and your stereo system. It's got your gas, propane, or your propane electric fridge with the freezer on the top and the fridge on the bottom. Okay, let's look here. You got another hanging closet here. So there's 3 hanging closets, and we just got into it. Okay, storage across the top. Lots of closets, or lots of pillows, I should say. And this looks good. Okay, now it has a bathroom in the front. Okay, big glass shower. Stool on the right hand side. Another big mirror. Vanity on the left. Double mirrors. Okay, it's got your bedroom up here. Looks like they got some hanging lights up there for roses. Storage all the way across. Place here for your TV. Looks like it's got a king size bed in it. Let's see what we got here. Another hanging closet. Another hanging closet. Okay, so guys, you got lots of room in this trailer. Okay, got ducted furnace, ducted AC. I mean, this is going to make somebody a nice unit. We'll show you around here. Step back here so you kind of see what we're going here. Man, the wind's blowing 90 to nothing. Let me, a little bit of sunshine in here. And video a little better. Again, there's the couch or dinette. Straight across is the couch, so you can sit here and have a conversation. Rear kitchen back here, mudroom. And it's laid out very, very well. Very well. Okay, I'm going to take you outside, and this wind's going to blow hard, so it might be hard for us to talk. But the trailer is good, solid. It's not beat up at all. Fenders are good. Good set of radial tires on it. It has dual jacks, and they are power. This one looks like it's never been on the ground. Dual propane tanks. There's your power jack, I guess. Outside water spigot. I mean, the body's good. The paint's good. Drop down windows. Take you back here to back. It's got a roof on it. Saddle racks back here as well. So lots of saddle racks. Double wall, rubber line. Fully insulated, fully lined. Slam latch dividers. There's your pass-through door. I mean, it's not beat or thumped, so it's gonna clean up really well. Again, this is Rick at Cowtown USA, Cuba, Missouri. 573-885-6300. 573-885-6300. We're going to run this through our shop. If you've got an interest, call us, 573-885-6300. You can ask for Sean or Jack or Rick, either one. Appreciate you. Thank you.